Today we got that Tecno Pop 7. This device needs a LCD replacement. Let's remove the SIM card tray and then we can detach the frame from the housing. You can use your fingernails or any plastic pieces or metal pieces, but I prefer plastic pieces. Alright, we have at the back a fingerprint sensor. Push it down. We don't need to take it out. Alright. There is a black sticker in the bottom and at the top. In the bottom, it has been removed before, and at the top, I'm going to remove them so I can remove the screws from there. This black shield is not necessary for us. I don't need why the company put it, maybe for liquid damage, but this won't protect the phone. Anyway, continue removing the screws. Let's remove the top shield. We have the fingerprint flex cable there. Alright, let's now remove the bottom shield. This one contains the loudspeaker. We have few screws. I speed up the video because it's slow to watch. Alright, let's remove the loudspeaker. No, the loudspeaker is not there. It's at the phone. But we have here the antenna cable. Be careful not to cut it. Alright, unplug the battery. Remove the sticker from the main board. I don't know why it's there. Maybe for keep the main board tight in place. Because now we are going to remove the battery. So we have to remove this sticker. I don't need to cut it. I'm going to remove it and then put it down when I finished. Alright, this battery took a long time to be removed. The adhesive is very good, what they used for it. Plug these flex cables. It's one flex cable to the LCD, connected the main board to the subboard. Alright, use the tweezer and rolling. Keep rolling. Be careful not to cut that adhesive because you have to get it back from under the battery. Alright, keep rolling. It takes a long time. It's X4 speed. Alright, we removed the first one. The second one, there is nothing to be removed. So you have to put alcohol, but the alcohol doesn't work for some reason. This adhesive doesn't work with the adhesive. It won't make the adhesive soft so I can remove it. And this is frustrating. I'm pulling the battery and seems it has been bent few. I'm heating the phone from the back and also the battery is not moving. What is that adhesive? So after that, what I used a knife or a cutter. Maybe a knife, it's the best for the word. So to keep and remove this battery, I heat it also from the top and somehow it worked but I can't make heat to the battery. This is dangerous. So remember, you can't pin the battery too much. It's very dangerous and don't picture it. As you can see, I'm using the knife, but carefully. Don't scratch the battery. If you scratch it, it could be explode. Remember that. It's not a kidding playing with the battery. It's the adhesive what I cut there. Alright. Now the battery is making straight. Alright. It's done with it. Now let's remove the flex cable to the screen. Now let's remove the screen. It's all broken. So the suction cup won't work. So I'm going to use tweezers to go from a point and then we can remove the broken LCD. Also, this frame, it's bent somehow. Maybe they drop it to the ground. Consider subscribing. So we'll try to fix it. Alright, you can use now plastic piece. These pieces I got them from the full screen protector for iPhones, so I can use them. It's the opposite of the screen, the one we trash it. So I keep them. I use them before, after. Alright, to do perfect job, it's very important to do cleaning. The cleaning is very important. This LCD was broken, so a tiny piece of glass could still in the frame, and when we put the new LCD, when we push it down, it could be broke. So this is important to make cleans for adhesive, for glasses, for dirt, for anything it's left in there. Be careful about the camera, loudspeaker, ear speaker, sensor, etc. These are important not to put alcohol to it. They could be damaged, especially the sensor. Alright, the sensor could be damaged by the alcohol. It happened with me before. Alright, the better you clean, the better when you put the LCD, it will fit in place. This is the shield of the ear speaker. It contains glasses. I'm cleaning it and then I'm going to put it back. Every piece should be in place. Don't forget to put anything. You have to put every pieces. Now, a small line of the adhesive is very good. No need to put too much or in the middle of the screen. Small line. Be careful of the sensor. You see I stopped and there is a light of the sensors there. I stopped. Don't cover them unless you want to make some difference or damaged components. Alright, you can see where is nothing, I stop. Alright. I think it's good now. Where there is no adhesive, I'm seeing where there is not. Alright, now we can bring the LCD and put it in place. Put it at the down. Make sure it's fit in down and then you press it at the top. In this way you make sure the screen fits in place perfectly. Now what we are going is to assemble the device as it was. Our job has been finished. If you have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below. We will answer it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace. I have a note, I'm going to mention it now. Sorry I didn't mention it before. Before you put the adhesive for the LCD, make sure you test it before. I forget to tell you to do that. Before putting the adhesive, test the LCD, make sure it's working, the touch is working, and the screen itself, it's good, and the picture is good. After that, you can start assembling the device back. Anyway, I cut that part. I do that part, but I cut that part because it took a long time with me to do the screen or to test the screen, what I mean. So I bought some record at the end of the video. Peace.